In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install chess on your computer or laptop so you can play chess anytime like an application on your computer. Chess is a game where two people play against each other and the goal is to trap the other player's king and win. The first thing you're gonna have to do is open Microsoft Edge. Now go to the search bar and type in chess. Open the official website. Once you're on the website, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. Go down to more tools and here go to apps. And here just going to simply click install chess. And here you're going to click install. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.